going on, YouTubers? Got a surprise today. See if I can hurry up and get me a video on the YouTube before everybody else get theirs on there. But you should already know what it is. Let's turn that the other way. Yes, it is. The 223 Bigrock. Had to get it, guys. Got the big brother over there. So let's open it up and see what we got. Charging paper. Don't need none of this. I have the Typhon 223. Comes with everything. I already got all the 3S batteries I need already for this, so I'll be ready to run it as soon as I get out of the box. Comes with the comes with the SLT3 instead of the other small remote that the Typhon comes with. So the other Grums, the other 223 series came with this remote. This one actually came with a remote, the SLT3 remote instead of the SL2. To the Bigrock. Instruction manual, batteries. Oh, came with some tubes. How sweet. All right, Arrma. And here we go, fellas. The 223 Bigrock. You like it, I love it. Just a quick little video of the unbox and everything that's in it. Quick peek under the hood. Got your 2-in-1 ESC and transmitter. Nice, beautiful little rig. And on that note, I'll do a review on how it drives. But this is the unboxing. Have a great day, guys. Please like and subscribe.